You will find most footwear comes ready laced, and we will now demonstrate the standard method of lacing, sometimes known as criss-cross lacing. So we begin by passing the lace through like this, adjust it full length, and then simply work the way up the boot in a criss-cross fashion like this. One of the advantages of this type of lacing is that it's relatively quick to apply and very easy to adjust as well, as you will see. We'll continue to lace this up using the higher eyelets as well. A lot of persons omit to use the very top eyelet on work boots, but they're there for a purpose, and you will find that you achieve greater ankle support and stability if you do go to the trouble of using this top eyelet and lacing firmly like this.